Subscribe now and press the bell icon for latest information.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss principles of insurance. Let us start. Principles of insurance. Principle 1. Utmost good faith. The first important principle of insurance is utmost good faith. What is this principle? What's this principle say? According to this principle, a contract of insurance is based on faith. According to this principle, a contract of insurance is based on faith. Both the insured and insurer are required to show good faith with towards each other in respect of the insurance contract. Insurer is required to disclose all the terms and conditions of the contract, and the insured is required to give complete details, all the facts, materials, etc. related to the risk being proposed. If the insured fail to If the insured fail to disclose any material facts, the contract of insurance become voidable. For example, let us know example of utmost good faith principle. What is the example of utmost good faith principle? In case of life insurance, the insured is required to give full details in respect of age, previous medical history, smoking, drinking habits, etc. Similarly, in case of fire insurance, detailed recording, construction of building, fire detection, firefighting equipments, nature of its uses should be given. So this is the first principle of insurance. The first principle of insurance is utmost good faith. Principle second, principle of insurable interest. The second important principle of insurance is principle of insurable interest. This principle states that the insured must have insurable interest in the subject matter of the insurance. According to this principle, the insured must have insurable interest in the subject matter of insurance. Insurable interest refers to the pecuniary interest in the subject matter of the contract. So this is the principle of insurable interest. Principle third. The third important and most important principle of insurance is principle of indemnity. According to the principle of indemnity, in the event of loss, the insured try to put the insured to the same condition as existed before the happening of the event by compensating the insured for the loss caused to insured due to the damage or destruction of the property insured. This principle is applicable to insurance contract of fire and marine insurance, but not in life insurance. This principle is applicable only in fire insurance, marine insurance, but this principle is not applied in life insurance. So this is the third important principle of insurance. Point number 4. The fourth important principle of insurance is proximate cause. What is this principle says? What is proximate cause? According to this principle, according to the principle of proximate cause, the insured is compensated only for the loss caused by the reason stated in the policy. In case there are two and more causes of the occurrence of loss, the most proximate cause and the most direct effective cause is considered. This is the principle of proximate cause. Point number 5. The fifth important principle of insurance is Principle of subrogation. This principle states that the insured is compensated for a loss or damage to the property insured by him. The right of the ownership of the property passes to the insurance company. The insured is not allowed to make any profit from the sales of the damaged property or lost property being recovered. Point number 6. The sixth important principle of insurance is principle of contribution. According to the principle of contribution, in case of double insurance, the amount of loss recovered in proportion from the insured. According to this principle, the amount of loss recovered in proportion from the insurer according to the amount assured by each of them. In case multiple policies on the same property, the insured has no right to recover an extra amount over and above the amount of actual loss. The right of the insured is obtained further payment from the other insured cease. If the recovers the entire amount from the insured. Point number 7. The seventh important principle of insurance is principle of mitigation of loss. According to this principle, the insured must take reasonable steps to minimize the losses or damage to insured property. After taking the insurance policy, the insured must not become careless and instead must behave with the great prudence. For example, if goods kept in the godown have caught fire, the owner should try to save the goods to minimize the losses or damages. So these are the 7 important principles of insurance. The first important principle of insurance is utmost good faith. Second important principle of insurance is principle of insurable interest. Third is principle of indemnity. Fourth is proximate cause. Fifth is principle of subrogation. Sixth is principle of contribution. Seventh is principle of mitigation of loss. So in this video we discuss 7 principles of insurance.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon for latest information.